Good morning students. We are continuing practice set 28 question number 6. Okay. Shubham's age today is 12 years and his father is 42 years. Shubham's mother is younger than his father by 6 years. Find the following ratios. Okay. Ratio of Shubham's age today to his mother's age today. Ratio of Shubham's mother age today to his father's age today. The ratio of Shubham's age to his mother's age when Shubham was 10 years old. Now here is the sum, students, and these are the three ratios that we have to find out. Now first thing, in this sum, students, already Shubham's age is given, but his mother's age is not given. It is said that the mother is younger to his father by 6 years. Understood? So what is the first ratio that we have to find out is, it is ratio of Shubham's age today. So Shubham's today age is 12 years old, that you already have, to his mother's age today. Okay, so his mother's age today is not given. It is just said that the mother is younger than father by 6 years. So first solution state you have to write is solution. Now I am going to solve the sum and show you, students. The first statement that you write is, first thing you will have to find mother's age today. Okay, so that is, let us first find Shubham's mother's age today. Okay, so therefore mother's age today is 42 minus 6. Why are we minusing 42 minus 6? To find out mother's age today. Okay, today what is Shubham's mother's age exactly we need to find out. So that is why we are subtracting 6 with 42, because it is said that mother is younger than his father by 6 years. So that is why we are minusing 42 by 6. We are subtracting to get the exact age of Shubham's mother today. So it is 42 minus 6 gives you 36. So the mother's age is 36 years old. Okay, so now we are going to find out the first ratio. Okay, that is the ratio of Shubham's age to his mother's age. Okay, that is 12 is to 36. 12 is Shubham's age and 36 is mother's age. Okay, so 12 over 36. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, carry over 1, 2 8s are 16. Okay, then 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, then 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, gives you 1 is to 3. This is the first ratio, student. Okay, 1 is to 3. Now second is ratio of Shubham's mother's age today to his father's age. Now father's age is 42 and Shubham's age is 12. So this is easy. The ratio of Shubham's mother's age to his father's age. Now Shubham's mother's age to his father's age, that ratio you have to find. What is mother's age? Is 36 as I told you before. Okay, so this is 36 is to, and father's is 42. Okay, 36 is mother's age and 42 is father's age. So 36 over 42. Again this will go by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. This gives you 6 is to 7. Okay, this is the ratio of the second. Now the third. Third is the ratio of Shubham's age to his mother's age when Shubham was 10 years old. Okay, when Shubham was 10 years old, what was his mother's age? Okay, that ratio you have to find out. So the statement first you will write is Shubham's age today is 12 years. Okay, when Shubham was 10 years old, that is 2 years ago, his mother's age was. Now first thing you have to find out the mother's age when Shubham was 10 years old. Okay, so again you will have to find out mother's age. Okay, so what you will do, from mother's current age, that is mother's current age is 36, so that you will subtract by 2 years. Okay, that you will subtract by digit 2, because here they are telling us to find out the ratio when Shubham was 10 years old. So you will deduct mother's current age by 2 to get mother's age 2 years ago. What was mother's age? Okay, so you will subtract 36 minus 2 gives you 34 years. So 2 years back mother's age was 34. Okay, so the ratio of Shubham's age by his mother's age 2 years ago is 10 is to 34. Now where this 10 came from? 10 years ago. Okay, when Shubham was 10 years old, mother was 34 years old. Getting me? So 10 over 34, again it will go by 2 times table. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 40. Getting me? So you get 5 is to 17 students. Okay, all the 3 ratios you got, 1 is to 3, 6 is to 7, 5. So the answer is the required ratios are 1 is to 3, 6 is to 7, 5 is to 17. Okay, students, please go through this sum, solve it 2 times in your rough book. If still you have any queries, you please ask to me. Okay students, thank you.